I'm tired of the garden planter and one picket fence builds. If you want to build something that's dead simple, brings people back and sells every time, then look no further. Mill up some timber with me and have a look at these three great projects. All are fairly easy to do, and I'll even show you me selling them on my stall. Because there's nothing worse than a project that people can't actually sell.
The fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun, said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry, laugh and cry, in a whole wide world. Gonna ask him why, laugh and cry. But you know why I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. I got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you. I'm gonna make you good, lead me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Laugh and cry, laugh and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Shining just like sin. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Oh, stop your freight train, little lost man ride. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Fare you well, darling, ain't coming back no more. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Who been whispering since I've been gone so long? Freedom calling. Ooh, ooh. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune.